Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you exactly how to place trades using the IBKR client portal. It's simple, clean, and a great place to start if you're new to interactive brokers. So once you log into your client portal, the first thing you'll want to do is head to the search bar at the top. Here, you can type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock or ETF you're interested in. Let's say we're going with Apple. Type in AAPL and click on it from the drop-down list. This will take you to the stock's main page where you can view performance charts, financials, and news. When you're ready to buy, you'll see a buy button. Go ahead and click that dot. Now comes the order setup. You can choose between different order types like market or limit. A market order just buys at the current price, while a limit order lets you choose the exact price you want to pay. For example, if Apple's trading at $185 but you only want to buy it if it drops to $180, just set your limit price to $180. Next, you decide how much to invest. You can either enter the number of shares you want to buy or just input a dollar amount. IBKR will automatically calculate how many shares you can get with that amount. Once everything looks good, just review your order and confirm it. That's it. Your trade will be placed, and you can track its progress right inside the client portal. If you're just getting started with investing, this is a really intuitive way to trade, and it keeps everything simple and focused. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want a full tutorial on the different order types, or how to build a watch list in IBKR. See you in the next video.